Today, we're going to do a high-level, hard, critical reasoning assumption question, but we're going to do it in a way so that assumption is going to jump right out at you, and we're going to solve this thing in like 30 seconds. I also want to share with you my 5 tips for learning vocabulary fast. It's all based on how our minds actually memorize stuff. I've been using this stuff for about 10 years with my students. It works really well. I'm sure it's going to help you too, and it's free. You can download it right in the description. Remember, the easy way to find the assumption in any of these questions is first, pick out the conclusion and then say to yourself, this conclusion will work, but only if. The answer choice that best completes that sentence is the assumption and is also the correct answer. And remember, when you're picking out a conclusion, you're looking for things like what's going to happen, or the outcome, or the goal, or what you're trying to accomplish. Okay, let's take a look at some examples. Example 1. The interview is an essential part of a successful hiring program because with it, job applicants who have personalities that are unsuited to the requirements of the job will be eliminated from consideration. The argument above logically depends on which of the following assumptions. Okay, very first thing we do is we pick out the conclusion. And in this case, the conclusion is the interview is important because it weeds out job applicants who have unsuitable personalities. So to find the assumption, we say the interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if. Now all we have to do is pick out the answer choice that logically completes that sentence. Okay, let's try them one by one. The interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if a hiring program will be successful if it includes interviews. It doesn't even make any sense. A is out. The interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if the interview is a more important part of a successful hiring program than the development of the job description. No, that's not true. The interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if interviewers can accurately identify applicants whose personalities are unsuited to the requirements of the job. Hey, that makes perfect sense. C is a likely contender. Let's see what D says. The interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if the only purpose of an interview is to evaluate whether a job applicant's personalities are suited to the requirements of the job. No, it doesn't have to be the only purpose in order for it to work, so D is out. The interview will eliminate applicants who have unsuitable personalities, but that will only work if the fit of the applicant's personalities to the requirements of the job was once the most important factor in making hiring decisions. That doesn't make any sense at all. The answer choice that best completes the sentence is C. That's the correct answer. Nice job. So you can find any assumption in any of these questions by first picking out the conclusion and then saying to yourself, that conclusion will work, but only if, and then find the answer choice that best completes the sentence. Okay, great work. And don't forget about your free gift, my top 5 tips for learning vocabulary fast. Okay, see you next time.